Jesus freak here. I thought when they said no mail on Martin Luther King Day, there wouldn't be any packages either. So I had package show up in town, and all of a sudden it was here. And they left it on the front porch, which was kind of stupid, because I've always left a message saying leave it on the back porch by the mail. But at least the tracking information said where it was. So I hurried up and threw something on to go get it before something happened to it. Package there. No packaging, that's thankfully. Those are a pain in the neck. Where's the end of this piece of tape? It's not that it's hard to find one in good condition, it's just that these could be a bit expensive. It looks like there was one more keycap missing than they said. That's fine. I have all the keys over there, and I'll have this a full keyboard no time. Now, if you see my other keyboard, you notice the logo was blue. You see here, it's black. This one's older. Alright. Now to rifle through my keycaps for the missing one, and then take them all off and wash them and maybe do something about this masking tape. Soapy water. All that's in here is the keys and water and some Save-A-Lot brand dish soap. Put them here for some rub them off a little bit, the dirt off. And it looks like there's here somewhere. After I get them washed up, I'll rinse them off and let them dry and put them back in. It's mainly the ones on the main part of the keyboard that need it. Can't say that surprises me. It's where the hands usually are. Reassemble this thing. The keys I didn't remove is still a little dirty. It's like, what you gonna do? Just drying them up a little bit and let them air dry in the chassis. Going to use it right away, so it's no big deal. If I were, it might be a problem. Okay. I didn't do perfect. Didn't have to be perfect. Just need to clean them up a little bit. This thing's built like a tank anyway. Tab got printed a little bit too high. dry off the rest of the way. Too concerned. I don't know if it works yet, but it's to be clean as a whistle now. Except for backspace, looks a little dirty. Let it rest a bit before I hook it up. Left. So this goes on the left too. Flat side up. And we're in. Let's see. Not going to try print screens, doesn't matter. So let's see if the left control is... It looks like we're all go. And the 3-finger salute worked just fine. Hang loose. So I'd say we're go. So final report is, looks like we're 100% go. The other keyboard I have of the same model, from which I took some of the keycaps, was 5 years newer, made by a different company, although probably on the same equipment, and the left control didn't work. This one, despite being older, is in better shape. So I might see if I can try to find someone to fix the newer one. Maybe I can still put it to some use. It still works, it's just the one key doesn't work, and it's just annoying. Not really a problem. Anyway, Jesus freak out.